Hi there, this is Maths Angela doing some inequalities with you. So here we have our symbols less than, greater than, less than or equal to, which means it could be equal to the number it's pointing to, or greater than or equal to, same thing, could be equal to it as well as greater than it. An integer is a whole number, no decimal, no fractional part, and if you see a line with a full circle which is empty, then that means it's a less than or greater than, but if it's filled in, it means it's a less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Okay, so looking at this question here, minus 2 is less than n, which is less than or equal to 3, and n is an integer. I'm going to do a similar one over here, and then you can have a go. So let's say we have minus 4. Just get my pen going. Yeah, so minus 4 is less than n, but less than or equal to 2. Okay, it's a little bit clearer. Okay then, so if we're looking at a number line here, which is always the most helpful thing with inequalities, so let's say we've got our smallest number, which is minus 4, and we go all the way up to 2. Okay, so the integers are the numbers which don't have any fractional or decimal part. Okay, yeah. So these are the integers in between minus 4 and 2. Now what they're asking for here is they're asking for the values, the integers that occur between minus 4, okay, and 2. So they want us to list the numbers that occur. Now, the symbol is telling you which numbers to include. So this n, so the n stands for number, so the numbers that are greater than minus 4. So it's not including because it's got no line under it. So we cannot put minus 4, but we can put minus 3. Sorry, I'll do it up here because this is an example, minus 3. Again, we could have minus 2. We could have minus 1, we could have 0, we could have 1. Now, can we have 2? Well, yes, because it says it's including 2. That's what the little line underneath says. So there you go. So that is your final answer. Okay, let's do another example. So this one here, they've given you a, part B, they've given you a number line. And they're asking you to state the inequality. Okay, so again we can use the letter n for number. So I'm going to draw my own one, and then you can have a go at doing your one. So I'm going to do what they've got here. So I'm going to have an open circle at 3, minus 3, and I'm going to have a closed circle at 1. Okay, so here we go. So my letter, which I'm going to use is n, is in between minus 3 and 1. Now the symbols I use depending on whether it's an open circle or a closed circle filled in. So because it's an open circle, it means my number is not including minus 3. So n is bigger than minus 3, but not including it. But n is also less than, but it could be equal to 1. So that's how you'd write that. Okay. All right, let's just do one more of these so you get the idea. So here we've got this one here. Now they want us to use X as our letter now. Okay, so I'm going to draw another one. So I'm going to go from, let's get my thing going, from here. I'm going to do it slightly differently. I'm going to colour that one in, and I'm going to go up to here and leave that one open. Okay, so we've got our X value, which is between minus 1 and 4. Yeah. Now it is including minus 1, so it's greater than and equal. Yeah. But it is just less than 4. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. Have a go at these questions and see how you do. Bye.